शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Good evening, everyone. Kids, are you ready with your homework? Are you ready? Say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
I will call the name and recite the sloka, okay, which you want to recite without seeing the PDF. Okay. Yes. Agamya,
Yes, ma'am.
recite your sloka.
Yes, ma'am. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Excellent.
Ma'am, the next one is the Anjaneya Sloka, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठा वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये. Thank you,
Excellent.
ma'am.
Welcome. Saisha,
Yes, ma'am.
2 slokas continuously.
Okay, ma'am. आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहम्. बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगतः अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Madhurya.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्तदिगाग्रदम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपस्महे
Upasmahe.
वक्रस्महे
Hmm.
वक्रतुण्डाय महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकरेषु सर्वदा
Karyeshu.
कार्येषु सर्वदा.
Excellent. Dhanyashri B.
Ma'am,
Yes, recite.
ओंकारं बिंदु संयुक्तं विद्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं सैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. लोकवीरं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वतीहृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. सरस्वती नमोस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Excellent. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite.
Okay, ma'am. मनोजवं मारुत्यतुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमता वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Excellent. One more.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Excellent. Vaibhavi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Recite 2 sloka.
Okay, ma'am. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoటి Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunataya Nathaya Sitaya Patehe Namaha.
Excellent. Vritti,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome. Vritti,
Yes.
yes, tell me the sloka that you know. Yes, recite. Excellent. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Arvi,
Yes, ma'am.
recite your own sloka.
Shriramam Shrirama Rama Rameti Rame Rama Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane.
One more sloka that you know.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada.
Excellent. Vidatri, welcome.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupani Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Om Trayambakam Ejamahe Sugandhim Pushtivartanam Urvarakamiya Bandhanat Mrityumukshiyamamrutam.
Excellent. Welcome. Okay. Now we will go to the slokas for not get bad dreams. Not to get bad dreams. So whenever, yes. Yes, Harihara, recite.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
One more.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Deve Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes. Sloka for not to get bad dreams. So whenever we are going to sleep, we have to deep sleep. So whenever bad dreams comes, so we have to recite this sloka to not to get bad dreams. Okay. So before going to bed, we have to tell this sloka. Okay. First we can chant the sloka, forgive sloka. Okay. Whatever mistake I have done, please forgive me. That I told you now, this 4-line sloka, or in English, you have to say, whatever the mistake I done today, please forgive me. So like that, you have to pray to God. Okay. So next one is not to get bad dreams. So continuously you have to recite these 2 slokas. Okay. Then we will go to the slokas. Ramam Skandam Hanumantam Vainateyam Vrikodaram. Vrikodaram means Bhima. Okay, it is Vrikodara means here Bhima. Then Shayane yes Mare Nityam Dussopnam Tasya Nashyati. This is the sloka. Now we will recite. How to recite? We will see one by one. Are we?
Yes.
Yes, recite after me 2 times. Okay. Ramam Skandam.
Ramam Skandam
Hanumantam.
हनुमन्तं हनुमन्तं
वैनतेयं वृकोदरं
वैनतेयं वृपोदरं
शयनेयस्
शयनेयस्
स्मरेन्नित्यं
स्मरेन्नित्यं
दुःस्वप्नं
दुःस्वप्नं
तस्य नश्यति
तस्य नश्यति.
Excellent recitation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Madhurya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Ramam
Ramam
Skandam
Skandam
Hanumantam
Hanumantam
Vainateyam Vrikodaram
Vainateyam Vikondaram
Vrikodaram.
Vainateyam Vikodaram
Shayaneyas
Shayaneyas
Smarennityam
Smare Nityam
Duswapnam
Duswapnam
Tasya Nashyati.
Tasya Nashyati.
Excellent. Harshita Bhatt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramam Skandam Hanumantam.
Ramam Skandam Hanumantam.
One more time.
Ramam Skandam Hanumantam.
Vainateyam Vrikodaram.
Vainateyam
Vriko. Daram.
Vikrodaram. Vainateyam Vikrodaram.
Vriko. Vir is not there. Vriko.
Vikro.
Shayaneyas.
Sayaneyas.
Smarennityam.
Smarennityam.
Duswapnam.
Duswapnam.
Tasya Nashyati.
Tasya nasati.
Excellent. Vritti. 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 Voice is not coming. Vritti, voice is not coming. Yes. Ramam Skandam voice is not coming. Check with the voice. I will come again. Okay. Agamya. Agamya.
Yes, ma'am.
Ramam Skandam.
Ramam Skandam.
Hanumantam.
Hanumantam.
Vainateyam.
Vainateyam.
Vrikodaram.
Vikodaram.
Vr. It is not v. Vr.
Vr. वृकोदरम्
Excellent. Shayane, yes.
शयने यस् शयने यस्
Smare nityam.
what ma'am
Smare nityam.
स्मरे नित्यं
Duswapnam.
दिस्वप्नं
Tasya nashyati.
दस्य नक्षति
Excellent. Saisha,
thank you ma'am
welcome. Saisha,
yes ma'am
recite full sloka.
okay ma'am रामं स्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोदरं शयने यस्मरे नित्यं दुःस्वप्नस्तस्य नश्यति
Excellent.
thank you ma'am
Welcome. Dhanyashrivi. Dhanyashri.
ma'am
Can you recite full
ma'am
sloka?
I need help ma'am
Okay, okay. Ramam skandam hanumantam
रामं स्कन्दं हनुमन्तं
vainateyam vrikodaram
वैनतेयं भृगोदरं
shayane yasmare nityam
शयने यस्मरे नित्यं
duswapnam tasya nashyati.
दुःस्वप्नं सत्यदश्यति
Excellent.
thank you ma'am
Welcome, Vritti. Vritti.
yes ma'am
Yes. Ramam.
yes
Ramam skandam. Skandam hanumantam vainateyam vrikodaram vrikodaram. Correct. Shayane. Yes. Smaren. Nityam. Duswapnam. Tasya nashyati. Excellent. Welcome. Amritalochana.
yes ma'am
Can you able to recite?
रामं स्कन्दं हनुमन्तं वैनतेयं वृकोत्तरं
Shayane.
शयने
Smaren.
नित्यं दुःस्वप्न
Tasya
तस्य नश्यति
Correct. Excellent.
yes thank you ma'am
Welcome. Yes. Vidatri.
yes ma'am
Can you recite?
no ma'am I need help
Okay. Ramam skandam hanumantam
Ramam skandam hanumantam
vainateyam vrikodaram
vayateyam trikodaram
shayane yes
shayaneyas
smare nityam
smare nityam
Duswapnam.
Swapnam.
Tasya nashyati.
Tasya nashati. Thank you,
Excellent.
ma'am.
Welcome. Harihara, don't do naughty on. Yes, Harihara.
Ma'am.
Yes, recite the full sloka. You
Ma'am,
are
I need
playing.
help.
Yes, you have to concentrate. No, you are playing. You are doing naughty. Okay, muting and unmuting. Ramam,
Ramam,
Skandam,
Skandam,
Hanumantam,
Hanumantam,
Vainateyam,
Vainateyam,
Vrikodaram,
Vrikodaram,
Shayaneyas,
Sayaneyas,
Mare Nityam,
Smare Nityam,
Duswapnam,
Duswapnam,
Tasya nashyati,
Tasya Naisati,
Tasya nashyati,
Tasya
Nashyati.
Nashyati.
Yes, excellent. Pranav,
Thank you.
welcome. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav.
Ramam Sakandam Hanu. Yes.
Yes, recite.
Ramam Skandam Hanumatam Vainityam Vrakodaram
Vainateyam. Vainateyam.
Vainateyam Vrikodaram
Hmm.
Shayaneya Smare Nityam Dusvapna Tasya Nashyadi.
Excellent. We will go to next sloka. That is called Shanti Mantra. That is called Shanti Mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaga. All should be always happy.
Yeah,
Then
no, never
Sarve-
happened.
Please mute yourself, Madhurya. Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Okay, there is no disease at all in this world. Then Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. There may be all the goodness. Okay, we can see all the goodness only. Then Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhave. There is no suffering, not at all in this world. So Om Shanti Shanti. Please, okay, help me to get all these things. That is the sloka's meaning. Now we will concentrate on the recitation.
Ma'am, I already know the sloka, ma'am.
Yes, yes, I will call you. Okay, that time you tell. Vritti,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. Vritti,
Ma'am, I know the sloka.
Vritti,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Om Sarve
Sarve,
Bhavantu
Bhavantu,
Sukhinaha.
Suchinaha,
Sarve Santu
Sarve Santu,
Niramayaha.
Niramaya,
Sarve
Sarve,
Bhadrani Pashyantu
Asyantu,
Ma Kaschit
Nati,
Dukkha
Uta,
Bhag Bhavet.
Bhavet,
Om
Om Bhur,
Shantish
Shanti,
Shantish
Shanti,
Shantihi.
Shanti.
Excellent. Yes, Vaibhavi Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
Om Vaibhavi Shetty. You know the sloka? Voice is not coming. Vaibhavi Shetty, voice is not coming. Okay, check it with your audio. I will come again. Are we? Are we?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite the sloka or need help?
Need help, miss.
Okay. Om Sarve
Om Sarve
Bhavantu Sukhinah
Bhavantu Sukhinah
Sarve Santu
Sarve Santu
Niramayah
Niramayah
Sarve Bhadrani
Sarve Bhadrani
Pashyantu
Pashyantu
Ma Kaschit
Ma Kashit
Dukkha
Dukkha
Bhag Bhavet.
Bhag Bhavet.
Om Shantish
Om Shantish
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 Shantihi.
Shantihi.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Amritalochana.
Yes, ma'am.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sarve Santu Niramayah
Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Santu Niramayah.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu
Ma Kaschit
Ma Kashit
Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Dukkha Bhavet.
Bhag Bhavet.
Dukkha Bhavet.
Yes. Om Shantish Shantish Shantihi.
Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Excellent.
Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Vaibhavi Shetty, welcome. Vaibhavi Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, recite the full sloka.
Miss, I need help.
Okay. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sarve Santu Niramayah
Sarva Santu Niramayah.
Your voice is not coming. Okay, check with your audio. Check with your audio. Okay. Agamya.
Yes, ma'am.
Agamya. Yes.
Ma'am.
Om. Can you recite?
Ma'am, I know after.
Yeah, recite. Recite. I will help. Recite.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
Sukhinah. Sarve Santu
Niramayah.
Niramaya. Ek minute. Okay. Niramayah.
Niramayah. Sarve next.
Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma
Kaschit
Kashtit
Dukkha
Dukkha
Bhag Bhavet.
Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
In between
Thank you,
Shantish, ish will come, okay? Shantish, Shantish, like that you have to recite, okay?
Shanti
Practice.
Shanti Shanti Ni. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Vidatri. Vidatri.
Yes, ma'am. I can do it without even seeing also.
Yes. Tell me.
1 second. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Om Sarve Santu Niramayaha. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kishit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Yes. Shaisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, recite full sloka.
Okay, ma'am. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Excellent. Dhanyashri V.
Ma'am,
Then,
say?
Dhanyashri.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Excellent. Pranav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Om Sarva Bhavantu Sukhina Sarva Santu Niramayah Sarva Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukh Bhagav Ma'am, can you help me in that
Yes,
word?
yes. Bhag Bhavet.
Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Shantish. Continuity. Okay. Shantish. Shantish. Like that it have to come.
Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Yes. And you said survey. It is survey.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Okay.
In all the three lines, it
Om
is survey.
Sarve. Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Excellent. Yes. Who is left?
Ma'am, I.
Hari. Who? Harihara. Harshita. Yes, Harshita. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् help me with that word.
Dukkha Bhag Bhavet.
Covered it. Did you cover the words?
Yes,
No,
please
no.
mute yourself.
Om.
Om.
Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Excellent. Okay, we will meet again tomorrow. Om
Ma'am, Hari was left.
Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya